Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the materials so the process is quick and accurate. First, confirm paper size 8, 5x11 or A4 and trim margins if sheets won't fit. Once done, open the rings fully. Misaligned rings cause tears. Make sure your pages are in the order you want, using dividers or tabs to separate sections. You're setting the stage to reduce rework and to protect holes. This upfront care prevents damage and saves time as you go through the next steps. You now handle the middle steps where precision matters. Align the punched holes directly over the open rings. Hold the stack against a flat edge to keep pages flush. Insert small stacks of about 5-10 pages rather than one thick bundle so sheets don't catch and tear. Once inserted, close the rings gently, pressing from the bottom upward so they seat evenly. Make sure each ring fully engages. Uneven closure is why pages splay or fall out later. You finish by securing and verifying the entire file. Flip through each section to confirm pages turn smoothly and lie flat. This checks for missed catches. If a few holes look weak, add reinforcements or move fragile pages toward the front and back where stress is lower. Close and latch the binder, then label the spine for quick identification. If something goes wrong, pause and inspect the rings. Realign or replace the binder rings rather than forcing pages through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.